So Mike, it's great to have you here at our booth. So what's the news are from today?
Yeah, great. Thanks for the question. Big news today is that the DH platform powered by the STM32MP1 has reached AWS certification.
Ah, okay, great.
Yeah, so I guess it was late last year in the US, we realized that we needed to have a certifiable platform for AWS Greengrass, and we didn't have any of those platforms internally. So we looked to our partners like DH Electronics, and your gateway platform was the perfect fit there. So what we did is some of the engineers in the US at ST, the AWS engineers and DH, we worked together on the certifiable platform, and we finally got that today. So we're really, really excited about that.
Yeah, that's great. And can you explain in more detail about this demo?
Sure, so we have at the crux of it is the MP1-based gateway platform, which we have certified today. And it actually communicates with two STM32 microcontroller devices. One is the STM32WB, that's for BLE communications, and then it's also managing a LoRa gateway that then communicates to the STM32WL. And both of those devices are connected to sensors that will do anomaly detection on this 3D printer. So the LoRa device actually has some machine learning algorithms inside of it that was done by KlikaTech. And so that will do the machine learning and the anomaly detection on the STM32WL that then goes to the MP1 and then goes out to the AWS cloud. The WB actually will detect the same anomalies, pass that raw data into the STM32MP1, into the gateway. It will take care of the anomaly detection and then present that data out to the AWS cloud. It's a really great demo, and it's something that we're definitely going to see a lot of traction with our customers with.
Yeah, okay. Thanks a lot for this explanation.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us, and thanks for being a great partner.
Yeah, same to you.
Awesome.
Thanks.